Who you gonna call? Not when I'm involved lately. Yeah, I don't wanna know. But I don't wanna slow that way, since I remember it go down.
Hello guys, welcome back to today's video. So I wanted to show you how to actually maintain a coily hair. Assuming you got a coily hair, or you did get this hair from the last video I did, I did a tutorial on this hair. Definitely you will need a maintenance, because it's very important with regard to keeping it all alive and looking all young, evergreen for a long period of time. So this hair is from Longqi Hair, and so far I've had it on for over 3 months now. I've only braided my hair once, and I was within 2 weeks half frame, and then I had to go back to this hair. So I've been wearing it. I wanted to test run it and see how durable it is, and basically I'm loving this hair because it's very beautiful. It's soft, just like the way it was from the very first day I got it. All you just need is maintenance. Maybe when it gets dusty, could get it dry a little bit, but once you touch it a little bit, it comes back to its natural state. And next thing is also the shedding. It doesn't shed as much as coily hair does. I've used coily hair in the past, but this is an exception. The quality is actually very high with regard to where coily hairs behave. They shed a lot, and most of the time you just see them tangle. I could literally run my fingers in it, and I mean, it's still very beautiful. If you want to get it, definitely check the link I'll leave in the description box so you can get it if you've not. And if you do have a coily hair as well, this process is also applicable to any coily hair you have. It will help revive your coily hair and keep it longer than it's supposed to. I'm hoping to carry this hair for another 1 year, as in like to have the hair for another 1 year or so. It will still be intact. So anyway, let's get started with this video. If you're new here on the channel, welcome to this channel. Subscribe and turn on the notifications so you're part of this community. And hey, don't forget to share and like this video. You support this channel alone. That is a way you tell YouTube that this video is relevant to those who need it, and that way they can actually list it as maintenance video, else I won't be able to sustain, you know, producing videos and posting videos. So share and like the video. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section, or any comment whatever you've been using to maintain your own coily hair, definitely leave it in the comment section. Let's get started with this video right this minute. So these are the 3 products I use on this hair so far. I've never used anything else on this hair, just coconut oil, a dark and lovely leave-in conditioner, and then this soya organic marinade. This one is supposed to help add more coils to it, and it was supposed to be for braid, but someone recommended it, and absolutely it works very well to actually make the coils more defined. And I use this very occasion. I've only used this twice. So those are the products I'm using for this hair so far. So the first thing I always do on this hair is I try to maintain the hair every 4 days. Like I do a prep on the hair. So what I basically do is just take a leave-in conditioner, add a little water to it. While wearing the hair, I just rub that water and the leave-in conditioner on the hair, run my fingers through it, you know, like wet it a little bit. It just brings back the coils, like you can see here. So I'm using a portion to demonstrate this first step here. And if you feel you've not reached the coil definition you want, add a little more water to it and keep running your fingers through it. It will get you to a coils. The second step is where you actually need to wash the whole hair, and you need a shampoo. Any shampoo, it's okay. That one is not important, but make sure it's not a shampoo that makes the hair hard. Like there are some shampoos that are supposed to make your hair more stronger. Just go for a natural shampoo that retains the natural texture of your hair. And like I mentioned earlier, look at the hair. The shedding is so absolutely very minimal. Look at the quantity of hair that came out of this hair after this whole process. The washing time is supposed to be when you get plenty things falling off, but absolutely it didn't fall off that much. So this is a top note for me. It's a nice hair. And after washing it with the shampoo clean, I'll now use the leave-in conditioner with olive oil and then this soya organic product mixed together. I'll use that to run through the hair. And the next thing you also want to do, you can comb this hair. The only time you ever comb the curly hair like this is when it's wet, when you wash it. Then use a comb to detangle it all through. When you do this detangling, it's going to take you for a very long time to make the coils even more defined. I hold onto the hair from the down, like hold it together upward. It helps define the coils and make it more coilier. So that's basically the 2 steps to maintaining this hair. Just let it dry, breeze dry it anywhere, hang it onto something and let it dry. I usually like hanging it on my dummy, so I let it dry here. And this is how it looks after it dried off. So that's the end of this video. I hope this information was helpful. If it was, don't forget to thumbs up the video and share the video. If you're new here on my channel, make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell beside it. And thanks for watching, guys. Anyway, I'll see you in my next video. Thanks. Bye bye.